Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a really powerful platform that big businesses use to create their own custom AI applications. It's called Azure AI Foundry. Okay, so let's just dive right in. We all know and use finished AI products like ChatGPT, right? They're kind of like a polished car you can buy straight off the lot. But have you ever wondered where the private, custom AI tools that businesses rely on actually come from? Well, they don't buy the car, they build the factory. And this is the big question, isn't it? It's a core problem for any company that needs a secure, private AI that deeply understands its own specific data, its products, and its customers. A generic engine just won't cut it. So, how do you build that factory? Well, Microsoft's answer is what they call a generative AI factory, a complete toolkit for enterprises to build their own custom AI from the ground up. This platform is Azure AI Foundry. Now, quick heads up here, it was actually just recently renamed from Azure AI Studio. So if you're looking this up online, you might see both names floating around. Don't let it throw you off, they're referring to the same powerful platform. So what's actually inside this AI factory? What are the tools on the assembly line? Let's take a quick tour and look under the hood. All right, first things first. Every factory needs its core machinery, right? In the world of AI, that means the models themselves. These are the brains of the whole operation. And the first thing that just jumps out at you is the sheer scale of choice here. Developers aren't locked into one type of engine. They get access to a massive catalog of over 1,600 different AI models. I mean, think about that. They can pick the perfect tool for any job, balancing cost, speed, and raw power. And the variety on offer is just incredible. You've got the famous top-of-the-line models from OpenAI, like GPT-4o, of course, but you also have these incredibly powerful open-source alternatives from Meta's Llama family and Mistral, plus Microsoft's own super-efficient Phi models. But you know, a great engine is nothing without the right fuel. And for any business, the real magic, the absolute secret sauce, is adding its own private proprietary information. The platform makes this remarkably simple. You can connect your own private documents. We're talking internal reports, policy manuals, customer databases, you name it. The AI then securely indexes all this information. So you could ask, what was our sales revenue in Q2 for the European market? And it will give you a precise answer based on your data, not the public internet. Okay, so you've got your model, that's your engine. You've got your data, that's your fuel. Now you need a way to connect all these pieces, the model, the data, the safety checks, into a complete functioning application. You need an assembly line. And that's exactly where Prompt Flow comes in. It's this really cool visual tool that lets developers literally map out the AI's entire workflow, step by step. They can draw a flowchart, first check the customer's purchase history, then analyze their support tickets, finally generate a personalized response. It makes building complex AI much more manageable. Now for what is, for any large business, arguably the most important part of this whole thing. How do you ensure all of this is secure, private, and reliable enough for enterprise use? And this right here is the absolute bedrock of the platform. It's Microsoft's guarantee. They make a firm promise that your private company data remains yours. It is never, ever used to train the underlying AI models for other customers. Your trade secrets stay secret, period. And on top of that core promise, the platform is built with multiple layers of industrial-grade security. It can automatically detect and block hacker attempts, it can be completely walled off from the public internet, and it can even guarantee that your sensitive data never leaves a specific country to comply with local laws. All right, so let's get down to brass tacks. This all sounds incredibly powerful, but who should actually be using this factory? And what does it cost to operate? First off, forget about a simple monthly subscription. This is a professional tool, and it operates on a pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for the computing resources and AI processing you actually use, just like a real factory only pays for the electricity it consumes. And this means your costs can vary dramatically depending on the AI model you choose. See, AI costs are measured in tokens, which are like small pieces of words. Using a top-tier model like GPT-4o is like running a heavy-duty industrial machine. It's powerful, but it uses more tokens and is more expensive. Smaller, efficient models like Microsoft's Phi are way cheaper to run for simpler tasks. So, the takeaway here is pretty clear. Azure AI Foundry is the gold standard for large corporations that need ironclad security, legal compliance, and total control. But if you're a hobbyist or a solo entrepreneur, the complexity might be overkill, and simpler tools would probably be a better fit.
And that leaves us with a final provocative thought. As AI becomes a universal tool, like electricity or the internet, maybe the real competitive advantage won't come from just buying the car off the lot. It'll come from owning the factory that can build any car you can possibly imagine.